HUALONG stone machinery, good. HUALONG CNC Water Jet cutting machine, which using a very high pressure jet of water and abrasive to erode a narrow line in the stock material, is an industrial tool capable for cutting almost any material while maintaining high precision. This 5-axis water jet cutter can cut at any angle within 60 degrees. It solves the traditional problem of water cutting inclination and achieves 2D 3D cutting easily. It features highly precise linear cutting and angled cutting. Our machine is applied to cut bevel surface, straight surface, conical surface, circular surface, rotating surface, groove, chamfer, and arbitrary surface. It is able to cut steel, stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, marble, granite, ceramic, glass, rubber, foam, and many other materials. If you are considering purchasing the equipment, please contact us. HUALONG machinery, reliable for wonderful.